Alright, I picked up this free sailboat, catamaran off Facebook Marketplace. The trampoline's gone. It's exactly the same as the other one I've got, which works fine. But the problem with it is these sails are very brittle and worn out, and the top half of it is almost totally gone. So we're going to try and rebuild the top half with duct tape. Alright, we have to do this in the laundry because it's super windy outside. So we've got like 5 rolls of duct tape and we're going to start doing it. Let's go. Alright, we've duct taped that big hole up and taped heaps of the sail, fixed all the rips in it. This is the main sail. A lot of the battens are missing, which are bits of wood that go in the sail to make it, I don't know what they're for, but it makes the sail go better. While I'm making those, we've got an idea for the trampoline to weave some rope together, but this rope's too thick. So what Mackenzie's going to do is split them all up into individual strands. Okay, Mackenzie's untangling this rope here, which is a big mission. Found some old curtain rail that we're sticking in the sail as battens. Another problem with this catamaran, this bolt here is missing. There must be a stud that's stuck in here somehow. I don't know how they do that, but I can drill and tap and just put a bolt in there. Here's the start of our rope trampoline. Oh man, a bit skeptical if this is going to work. We'll thread the other ropes the other way and see how we end up. The shops are shut. We need a bung for here, so we need to make something here at the house. One of these stainless pins was missing for the rudder, but I found some old steel bar that's exactly the right size, so I'll bend this into shape. Okay, we've been working at this for a while. Mackenzie zigzagged this rope all through. It holds our weight, so now we'll probably just do a layer of duct tape to seal the deal. Alright, we've got a bit of a dodgy trampoline set up here. The boat's all set up. We've got both boats set up and we're going to hit the water. There's not much wind, but should be enough. Wind rush 12.
Tape rush.
We're in the water, we're just putting the rudders on. Dad's already taken off.
Look at me. How come I can't do that? We're beating them.
Oh no, they're going to beat us! Oh, the tape's holding up.
This side it's not.
Grandpa's way faster. Oh, here we go. Wind.
Please don't do anything dangerous.
This is pretty much just right for learning this wind.
Okay, Mia, do the jump.
Ready, Mia, go! Quick!
We're being chased by a school of fish. Grandpa, come over here. Huh?
I think your one's faster.
Because ours has holes in it.
You got more weight on too.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're fatter.
I think they would be evenly matched though.
2, 1. Tsunami!
Whoa, you got the rudder.
The runner! Face your fears with Ludicrous.
Ah!
The shark's in the water! Grandpa's going to the mirror up to.
I don't know, she's stuck in the spider web. Oh, we got some wind.
We got some wind here! Yeah! And some water. Oh, let me just get up real quick for your duct tape seats. Oh yeah, high class seat bed.
Man, it's not the comfiest thing to maneuver around on.
Oh. Ah, pain.
Oh, the dragon rope. Can you pull that rope up here?
Drag rope.
Need that rope.
It's an anchor. Give us a second. I'll take
Put it on one of these
I'll
duct
take
tape
care of
pads.
the
Okay, the girls are back eating some snacks. Dad and I are gonna have a go by ourselves. We're pretty much head to head here, about the same speed. I think that one's slightly faster and Dad's a little bit heavier than me. Yeah, it's better. Is there more wind down here? Yeah. Oh. This is a tight race, this one. Oh no, he's beating me. Why is he beating me? It's not fair, why are you beating me? Ah. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm losing my camera. What? Oh yeah, we're going along now, all right? Are you all the way in? Yeah, it's good. It's really good. The trampoline's awful though. We'd swap boats while we're going.
Oh, look at the wind there.
Oh yeah. Out there? Oh, should we go in and have something to eat? So that was a really great day. Would have been good if the wind was a little bit stronger, but it was still pretty good. The tape held up fine. When you can push the tape through and it sticks to itself, it seems to stay on really good. But if you do a solo patch over something, it tries to peel off. Don't know what kind of tape it was. We just got the one that was on sale. I have got other plans for this boat. Anyone in New Zealand that's got a second-hand hang glider they want to sell, let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.